going to do like a fall tutorial. So like oranges, browns, neutrals. So obviously I'm going to start with my Young Living moisturizer here, which has essential oils in it. I really love it. Now I'm going to take my Mario Badescu. Now I'm taking my Benefit, the Professional, the pearl one. I'm going to put this in my T-zone. Now, I don't know if this is my shade or not, but it's my Estee Lauder Double Wear in Desert Beige. And like I said, I don't know if this is my correct shade right now, but I'm going in with the Wet n Wild concealer in Light Ivory. But I think I'm still gonna go in with some Tarte Shape Tape, just right in there. And I'm taking my Maybelline Master Fix Setting Perfecting Loose Powder. Alright, I haven't used this in a while. I'm gonna set my whole face with this. Maybe this is a bad idea. But oh well, it's happening. I'm a little white. I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in bronzer, I think. I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Gonna do my brows. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this little doodaddy. I'm going to go in with my pencil. This is by Winky Lux. I'm gonna add just a little bit of blush. It's the Note one in Desert Rose. So first I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and a real fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into these two as a transition color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this underneath the eye. Now I'm going to go in with this dark mustard kind of brown something. Gonna take this brush into that one right there. it's more orange. Let's try this is more peach, I think, though. Ooh, but that's really pretty. Okay. It's out of the My Little Pony ColourPop palette. Oh, I ordered a whole bunch of ColourPop. I've got some ColourPop and I'm gonna do a full face ColourPop. I'm so excited. So now I'm gonna take that orange, pat it in between here. Now I'm gonna go back in with this brush and that red kind of copper bronze. Go on the outer. Okay, now I'm gonna take the same brush, go into this, well, I don't wanna go, it's kind of like a, this is kind of a brick color, this is kind of a, I'll mix those two. And some, I'm gonna add these to the very outer corner. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. That's better. It's more of what I wanted. I think that's all for that. And then I'm going to take this e.l.f. one and I'm gonna go right in here. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put Ardell Wispies on with my Devo glue. What color lip do I want to do? Alright, so I got some different ones. Urban Decay Revolution. It's a little sample in Liar. I think this is a lip gloss. Okay, I think I like that. Yeah, I might put on. This is a Bite Beauty lipstick in Chai, and I got this as a birthday gift from Sephora. So this is the finished look. I hope y'all like it. I love this orange. I never do orange eyeshadow like at all, and I love that peach in the inner corner, and I'm so excited that I'm getting better at putting on lashes. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed, and y'all come back, and I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all's day.